What if I told you that the biggest investing mistake isn't picking the wrong stock? It's waiting too long to start. Every year, millions of Americans delay investing because they think they need thousands of dollars. But what if all you needed was just $50? Today, I'm going to show you why a Roth IRA could become one of the most powerful wealth-building tools you'll ever own. Imagine two 22-year-olds. The first starts investing $50 a month into a Roth IRA. The second waits until they're 32 because they think they'll invest when they earn more. Even if the second person invests more each month later, the first investor often has a major advantage because their money had more years to grow. That's the power of starting early. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account available in the United States. You contribute money that has already been taxed. In return, if you follow the rules, your investments can grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are generally tax-free too. That's what makes it one of the most valuable long-term investing accounts for many people. For beginners, a Roth IRA offers three major advantages. First, tax-free growth. Second, flexibility for long-term investing. Third, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many brokerages let you start with a very small amount and add money consistently over time. How to start with just $50. Step 1. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers Roth IRA accounts. Step 2. Open your account and verify your information. Step 3. Deposit your first $50. Step 4. Invest that money instead of leaving it as cash. Many beginners choose diversified, low-cost index funds because they spread risk across many companies instead of relying on a single stock. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't chase hot stocks just because they're trending. Don't panic when the market falls, and don't stop investing after 1 month. Successful investing is usually about consistency, not excitement. The real secret. The secret isn't finding the next company that doubles overnight. The real secret is giving your investments time. Small regular contributions made over many years have historically been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Patience is often the biggest advantage an investor has. If you're in the United States and eligible for a Roth IRA, don't let the idea of needing a lot of money stop you. Starting with $50 won't make you wealthy overnight, but it can help build the habit that supports long-term wealth. Your future self is far more likely to appreciate an investment you made today than money you spent on something you'll forget next month. If this video helped you understand Roth IRAs, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing and personal finance content. And tell me in the comments, if you had an extra $50 today, would you invest it or spend it?